A Florissant mother says she's in a fight against greed. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve Savard. Courtney has the night off. Shamika Johnson says attorneys are trying to cash in on her daughter's disability. The family has won a multi-million-dollar lawsuit after the 5-year-old girl was paralyzed in a school bus crash. Only News 4's Ashley Lincoln tonight is asking how much is too much for attorneys to claim.
Steve, Soraya will need medical help for the rest of her life. The family says they are already in debt and medical bills worth more than $1 million. So every dollar in this case counts.
My 5-year-old daughter may possibly not walk again.
That's why Shamika Johnson says every dollar is needed to care for her daughter, Soraya.
If you take XYZ from her, that's you taking away from her being able to have the best life ever.
Johnson says the $7.2 million they received from a settlement from a school bus accident earlier this year is being threatened by what she calls excessive attorney fees.
If you have lawyers taken from that money, how can I, being in a physical situation, still provide that for her?
Soraya's family says of that amount, attorneys want more than $2 million.
Doesn't this add perhaps additional heartache to the family that doesn't need this?
Legal expert Jeff Meyercourt says there's no law in Missouri capping how much attorneys can charge, but
all attorney fees in Missouri must be reasonable.
Meyercourt says fees are supposed to be based on ethics. He says he's seen fees tap out around 33%, and Meyercourt believes it's best clients negotiate this before settlement.
Lord have mercy. Every dime is needed.
That's Shamika Johnson's uncle. Kevin Hawkins has a legal background and he's now involved in the settlement. Monday, he asked the judge to not approve the attorney's fees, and the judge told the parties to renegotiate.
I feel had I not come to assist my family, they would have gotten away with every dime.
If I didn't have my uncle, me and Soraya would have lost out on a lot of money.
I've reached out to the attorneys in this case. They have not returned my phone calls. Once they finalize renegotiations, they will have to reach back out to the judge for him to approve the attorney's new fees. Reporting live, Ashley Lincoln, News 4.